You guys might have heard the Prince Zam memes of door PvP. Well, I found somebody who actually has a door PvP kit in real life. So I'm gonna be playing door PvP and seeing how good I am. Let's get started. Oh. There's no healing in this kit. Yes! My dude got doored. Just 10 sacks. Oh my god, I can't play axe. There we go, the axe energy. Let's go. The axe energy. I forgot to do my daily doors. Oh my. Oh my. GG. Yes! Let's go. I just won a door PvP match where I'm tier 1 in door PvP. You guys all suck. Anyways, goodbye. Have a good day. And like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.